Welcome. In this video I will guide you through the troubleshooting steps that will help you fix the issue of your camera app freezing or crashing on your HONOR X7d. So the easy fix would be entering the settings, then going to the apps menu right here. Here select manage apps and find camera on this list. Then try to force stop this application, and after that go to storage and see if there is any cache stored in the camera. If there is, then tap clear cache and after that try opening the camera once again. If this doesn't help, then check if there are any software updates for your device. To do that, go back to settings menu and scroll down to system and updates section, then go to software update and check if you have any updates for your device. Also check if you have an internet connection before you do that, so that your phone is connected to the internet and receives the information from there. Now if there is an update, then surely download and install it, and this very commonly solves the issue. But either way, restart your phone by pressing the power button and volume up key together and selecting restart. Confirm and then wait until your phone is restarted. Once your device is restarted, wait for a while until it fully starts up, and then try reopening your camera application and see if it works for you now. And if the problem persists even after following these steps, then consider uninstalling recent applications that might interfere with the camera, or contact HONOR customer support service and tell them about this issue. Generally, following this checklist should resolve common camera app stability issues on your phone. And I hope that this video helped you. Thank you for watching it, and if you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.